Glass is such an integral part of your vehicle, and when it breaks or is damaged, it can be bothersome and even dangerous. Everything from the windshield to the side windows, from the back glass to the sunroof, must be in working order for you to be safe on the road. Whether the result of an accident or an attempted break-in, at glass.com, we have the tools you need to solve any auto glass problem. We found the finest auto glass repair and replacement service providers in the country and invited them to become glass.com affiliates, which allows us to guide you to the highest levels of service, no matter where you're located. Glass.com affiliates offer a wide variety of services and are skilled in both the repair and replacement of the glass in your vehicle, no matter if it's a sedan, SUV, truck, or van. If it's a vehicle and it has glass, glass.com has you covered. Our affiliates provide repair and replacement services for a number of auto glass parts, including windshields, back glass, side glass, vent glass, sliders, sunroofs, and side mirrors. The question of repair or replace is one that has a different answer depending on which part is damaged. For example, tempered glass, which is usually used in back and some side glass, breaks differently than the laminated glass used in your windshield, and it must be replaced. It cannot be repaired. Your glass.com service provider can assess your situation and give an overview of what will need to be done. How can you take advantage of the services we offer at glass.com? Simply enter your zip code or the zip code where you would like the work on your vehicle to be done at the top of the page and click for your free estimates. You'll then be asked to enter the year, make, model, and body style of your vehicle, as well as the location of the glass that needs correction. If you're unsure which part needs to be fixed, you can use our simple diagrams to help pinpoint where the damage is. Once the necessary information is provided, we'll show you up to 3 companies in your area, as well as some information about each, along with an estimate of what they would charge. You can learn more about each company by clicking Learn More. To finish, you'll need to provide just a few more pieces of information, such as your name, email, and/or phone number, depending on how you wish for our affiliate to contact you. Providing the vehicle identification number is also helpful but not required. And if you plan on filing a claim, it can be useful to provide the name of your insurance company as well. At this point, you're only one click away from help. Click Replace Your Glass, and our affiliate will contact you almost immediately. We've worked for the last few years to identify companies that we feel provide the utmost in service and professionalism to customers and who show a commitment to doing the job right. Many technicians at glass.com affiliates are certified by the Auto Glass Safety Council and have a strong commitment to quality. Need to save time? Many glass.com affiliates will come to your home or workplace. At glass.com, we work hard to find you the best local service. Just fill out the necessary information and it's easy to compare quotes to find the glass.com affiliate who will be the most beneficial to you. Broken or damaged glass is never part of a safe trip. Use glass.com to find a repair shop in your area to get back on the road with an improved vehicle. Start your search for new auto glass today.